When it comes to managing diabetes, a healthy diet is key. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which foods are best for diabetic patients. Thankfully, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious choices that can help keep blood sugar levels stable and promote overall health. First and foremost, fruits are an excellent addition to any diabetic diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and their natural sugars are released slowly into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar. Some particularly beneficial fruits for diabetics include berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, and apples. In addition to fruits, incorporating plenty of vegetables into one's diet is crucial for managing diabetes. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are particularly beneficial due to their low carbohydrate content and high fiber content. Other vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are also great choices. When it comes to protein, lean options like chicken, turkey, and fish, such as salmon and tuna, are ideal. These foods provide high-quality protein without adding excessive fat or carbohydrates to the diet. Legumes, such as lentils and black beans, are also excellent sources of protein and fiber, making them a great choice for diabetic patients. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, are preferable to refined grains like white rice and white bread. These whole grains are rich in fiber and nutrients and have a lower impact on blood sugar levels. Finally, it's important for anyone with diabetes to limit their intake of sugary and processed foods, as these can cause blood sugar to spike. Instead, opt for healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt. Remember, the key to a successful diabetic diet is moderation and balance. By making smart choices and incorporating a variety of nutritious foods, diabetic patients can enjoy a delicious and satisfying diet while keeping their blood sugar levels under control.